Okay, so your blind won't pull all the way down. This is because this chain link here has somehow got into the wrong position. The chain link should be at the back around about here when the blind is in the open position. So we need to move this chain link. So to do that, you need to take the blind down. So you push it up where the mechanism is and over, and it will come out. Then all we need to do is pull the mechanism out. And if you press this blue tab here gently, then you pull that open, then you can take the chain off. So we're going to move the links round so it's at the back of the mechanism, push, and it should click back together. Now we can locate this back into the blind again. And put the blind back into position. Now you will see that the link is at the back at the top, so it will allow the blind to pull all the way down and then back up again. If you find it's not quite going right to the top, pull it out, wind the fabric round and pop it back. And there we go. Any problems, give us a ring.